In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a profile picture on Trello, quick and easy. Let's dive right in. First, open up your web browser and go to Trello.com. This is where we'll begin our journey to personalize your Trello account. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that to sign into your Trello account. If you already have your credentials saved, this should be a breeze. Otherwise, take a moment to enter your email and password to access your Trello dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's focus our attention on the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see your account icon, possibly a default avatar if you haven't yet added a picture. Click on this account icon and you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Manage Account to proceed. This will take you to a page specific to managing your profile settings and visibility. Once you're on the account management page, pay close attention to the camera icon. This handy icon is your gateway to adding a personal touch to your Trello profile. Click on it, and you'll then see an option labelled Add Profile Photo. At this point you have two choices. You can either drag and drop your desired image directly into the designated area, or if you prefer, click on the Upload a Photo button. This option will let you browse your computer's files to select the perfect picture for your profile. After selecting your image, the next step involves a bit of customization. You'll have the chance to resize your photo within Trello's interface to get it looking just right. Adjust the size as needed to ensure that it fits perfectly as your new profile picture, showcasing whatever you like, be it a professional portrait or something more whimsical. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, simply click on the Upload button. Trello will work its magic, applying the changes to your profile. You can verify that the new photo has been successfully uploaded by returning to your dashboard. At the top right corner, you will now see your gleaming new profile picture, ready to present to your Trello boards and collaborators. And there you have it. Updating your Trello profile picture is as straightforward as that. With these steps, you've added a personal touch to your Trello profile, enhancing your visibility in team boards and personalizing your user experience. Feel free now to explore Trello with a new image that truly represents you. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.